How to create a YouTube channel for beginners. Give me the next 5 minutes to see why I think every business should have a YouTube channel. Don't worry about taking notes. Just type YouTube below and I'll send you a copy of my notes. I want you to sit back and watch. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to give you a step-by-step how to create your own YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Sandra J. Connor, your preferred guide to prospecting solutions. Subscribe to my channel, watch each video because I teach a new strategy in each one. Implement these strategies and get empowered to start the transformation in your business. So what specific problem am I solving today? I'm solving the prospecting problem. I am prospecting on YouTube. So how are other people trying to solve the prospecting problem? By posting nonstop on social media, by harassing family and friends, and by DMing strangers. Don't do any of those. Why is that way not working? Well, that is what's taught by the network marketing industry. And we all know that the network marketing industry or the MLM industry has a 1% success rate. So why would you possibly want to follow their strategy when they're 99% of the time you're going to fail? So what's my solution to this problem? I created a YouTube channel designed to help people. I record short how-to videos giving them solutions to prospecting problems. I give them a quick win in each video specifically designed to start a conversation with them. This allows me to sell without selling. So why does my way work better? Because my way allows network marketers to keep their family and friends. I'm doing something totally different. I use training videos to start a conversation with my prospects. My goal is to determine their problems as it relates to prospecting. Then I record a short how-to video solving that problem for them. I make it as simple as possible, giving them a quick win in each video. Best of all, I get to be my authentic self and I get to help people. And it allows me to sell without selling. Another huge positive is it's absolutely free. I can then run cheap ads, $5 ads on YouTube and help people to reach a larger audience. So the first step is to create the YouTube channel. So okay, now that we all agree that every business should have a YouTube channel, let's get started. Okay, the first step is you're gonna have to create a Gmail account. So I just Googled how to create a Gmail account and you just click on it and then it's gonna tell you at the bottom you can create an account. So you just go right here. Then you want to click on your little icon up here and then go to the bottom and add another account. Now, if you've already got an account, then you don't need to do that. But I'd like to create one that has, like I've got the Lady Marketing Ninja at gmail.com. So create your Google account. And then once you've got a Google account, then you can create your YouTube channel. Now that you have your Gmail account, then you want to go to YouTube. And again, you want to click on whatever's up here. I have a picture here because I actually have a YouTube channel. And then since I have a channel, it's putting me right in it. But you'll have a section on here that says create a channel. I'm going to do switch account. And then see at the bottom, add account. So you can add your channel that way. And again, then you can pick the Google name that you just created, and then it's going to allow you to, I'm going to pick a different name so that something that's not, I'll do the test one. And then you have to confirm you're not a robot, and then go to next. Okay, I actually picked the Dog Lover account, and then enter your password, hit next, and then hit continue. So now you have your basic channel. It didn't ask me, but you do want to set this up as a business account, as a business channel. Well, I guess it, okay, now that I'm actually logged in under the Dog Lover, now it gives me the option to create a channel. See, I'm under Sandra Connor Dog Lover. So create the channel, and here this is going to be the name of the channel and your handle. So when you're naming your channel, keep it something simple, something that's memorable, and something that's easy to spell. You want people to be able to find you. That's the whole point of this. And the handle, that is the name that you're using, is something similar to social media. It's this is the name that's going to appear when you leave a comment on somebody else's video. So you want to use a name that relates to your channel so that people can go back and find you. You can get more subscribers that way. So enter the name that you want to create, what your channel is going to be. Okay, so and this is just a fake channel, but I just made it all about dogs, and then see, it created this handle for me, and it tells me that it's available. You can try to change that by adding different numbers or something, and it'll tell you if it's available. Oh, see, that's available, so I can do all about dogs -10 as my handle. And you can change these later if you don't like it. Then you hit create channel, and now you've got the bare bones of your YouTube channel. Next, you want to upload your picture that you're going to use for this. It needs to be an 800 by 800 pixel. It can be JPEG or PNG or BMP. I'm actually going to go back to my original channel, and now I'm going back to the Lady Marketing Ninja channel because I've already got everything done on that one. Let me actually go and view that channel. Okay, so now see, I've got a photo entered. So you need to enter a photo too, just something that people can recognize you by. And then the next thing you're going to do is click on the profile in the upper right hand corner and go to the YouTube Studio. Now go to Settings, Channel, and Feature Eligibility. Okay, I had to go back to the Dog Lovers channel because you've got to actually verify your YouTube channel in order to upload videos over 15 minutes and upload thumbnails and live streaming. So you go to eligible and you click on verify phone number, and you enter your phone number, and then you'll get a text, and then you just verify it. And that way you can have the ability, see, I've already verified this channel. So you have the ability to upload longer videos. By verifying your channel, it allows you to have custom thumbnails, live streaming. So you want to get the text, the verification code, and select it, and select the country that you're in, and make sure that the cell phone number is correct. Get your code and verify your channel. Again, this allows you to upload more videos. You can create shorts daily, embed live streams, have external links in your video descriptions, eligible to apply to make money off of this. Next, we need to review the key channel settings. So go back to settings, and then upload defaults, and then basic channel info and visibility. You always want to have this set to private, because this is, if not, then it's going to, as soon as you upload your video, it's going to make it public, and you never want your videos to be public until you make it, everything pretty on it. You got your thumbnail uploaded, you got your description added, and all those things. So just set that to private and save it. Now go back to settings and channel, or upload. So it's settings, then channel, then advanced settings. You want to mark whether or not your channel is made for kids. So if it's not, then put no there, and then just save it. And you don't want to mess with this, because they can shut down your channel if you say the videos are made for kids and they're really not. Now you can go back to settings, permissions, and then manage permissions. This is how you allow other people to help you manage your channel. So you can invite other people to, you can give them permission to do certain things on your channel. Now close that out and go to customization. So now here's where you can change your banner image. When you can make this in Canva, and when you go in to change it, when you select your image, it's going to show you what's viewable. See, it's viewable on TV, and then this is what's viewable on desktop. See, it shows the whole thing, and then that's what's viewable on devices. So you want to make sure that the main area in the center, that's got everything, because that's all the mobile device is going to see. So, and then click done, and it's going to add it to your channel. You also, on the same screen, you want to go to the bottom, and you want to add your email. See, and make sure it's a different email than what you've set the channel up with, because that's going to hurt with the privacy. People are going to be able to get access to your channel if they see what email you have attached. So I've got my business email set up here. Then on the same page, you want to go to your channel description. Now, the first sentence or so, you want to make sure that you're grabbing their attention and you're talking about what you're going to do for them. Don't talk about yourself and all this stuff. Talk about what you solve, because that's all that they're going to see when, let me go back to my channel. See, it just says, I solve the prospecting lead problems for network marketers. I show busy moms how, and then that's all that it shows. You've got to click on more to actually read it. So you want to make sure that you grab their attention. And see, with my banner, I've got marketing strategy plus confidence equals money. So that's something that you can look at, and it passes the 3-second rule. You want to be able to look at it and in just a few seconds know what the channel is about and whether or not it's for that person. And the idea is you want people to say, when they look at your description or your banner, that they say, yes, this channel is for me. So now I'm going back to channel customization, customize my channel, go back. And you want to look at the watermark at the bottom. So this, just upload a subscribe channel. Subscribe to me, or subscribe to this channel, and just put it the entire video. Okay, over here you've got the audio library. This allows you to use music and videos without worrying about copyright claims. This earn button will tell you all that you need to know about making money on your YouTube channel. Things that are required in order for you to do that. And that's really, you're basically set up now. Then you can go to view channel, and then you can see your finished product, and everybody else can see it as well. So now the next step is to actually create videos, and we're not going to go into that on this one. That is something that I'll record another video on. I just wanted to show you exactly how to set up a YouTube channel with this video. So I hope that was beneficial to you. Thank you so much for watching this and for setting up your own YouTube channel. Just type YouTube below and I'll send you a copy of my notes. I went kind of fast through that, but I've got everything typed out for you step by step, exactly what I went over in this video. So type YouTube and I'll send you a copy of that. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you tomorrow.